Greetings in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. I'm Pastor Grace Ubeye, inviting you to our prayer retreat coming up April 27th, 2016 to April 29, 2016. The theme of this prayer retreat is freedom. I guess we all need freedom. Nobody is happy when they are in bondage situation. Freedom can be described as the ability to be free to do what you want to do. But bondages are things that restrain you from achieving God's purpose for your life. Bondages can be due to evil inheritance. It can be due to financial situation. It can be due to soul ties. It can be due to oppression from the evil one. It can be due to addictions. It can be due to family problems. But Christ has come to set us free. In fact, Christ's mission statement in Luke chapter 4, verse 18, is that he has come to preach liberation to the captives. I do not want you to remain in any form of captivity. Come and join us as men and women of God. We lead us in violent prayers that will set you free from every form of bondage and give you total liberation. Join us and come and enjoy the total blessing of God and live a life that glorifies God, a life that is victorious, a life of total freedom from your past. God bless you.